Hey, what's going on everybody? Billy Aiken. Welcome to this video. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at one of my favorite software solutions, one of my favorite free software that you could use to optimize and grow your YouTube channel. This is probably by far the most popular software out there. And what I want to do today is just kind of show you a brief overview and give you an idea of what you can start doing today to start getting your YouTube videos to get noticed, to get ranked, start getting views, and even start making money. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so as you can see, we are on the TubeBuddy website, and this is actually a free Chrome extension that you can use to basically get higher rankings in the search results, how to get more views and subscribers, even to be able to test and tweak and to be able to get your thumbnails noticed. Over 3 million YouTube creators and brands are currently using it. It is by far my favorite software that I use. It's actually a free software. I personally use the Lifetime Pro access. It's just, you get so much more benefits out of it. But let me give you an example. We're over here on my YouTube channel, and let me kind of give you an example of what I'm talking about. Whenever we're looking at one of the videos that I've uploaded talking about a graphic design software that I like, whenever we take a look at it, we scroll down. This is the actual video upload process. When you upload a video, you go through all of these steps, which is your title, your description, and everything. And TubeBuddy actually walks you through the process. As you can see, I've got the TubeBuddy Chrome extension already installed, and it's got some really cool features. It's got all kinds of, I can sit here and create dozens of videos just to go over each and every feature. And it is, even if you're using the free version, you're going to get so much value out of it. I personally use the paid version because personally for me, I needed all of the extra, benefits that come with it. But best practices, it kind of shows you the different things that you can do to optimize your video to kind of get a head start above your competition. Here's one of my favorite things, which is your tags. Your tags is what you use to help YouTube to be able to show your video to specific people that are searching for specific keywords. And then whenever I was going through and trying to find the keywords and the tags to use on this video, I actually used TubeBuddy's recommended tags, and they go through and they recommend different tags that are related to your title, related to your video. And all you have to do is just hit the plus sign, and what it does is it adds that specific tag to your tags, and you can only have up to 500 characters. And but throughout the process, TubeBuddy is there every step of the way. They even help you to make sure and optimize your thumbnail to go through the process. Let me actually show you something really cool. I did a search for the keywords affiliate marketing, one of my favorite things in the entire world. And then if we were to maybe we were doing keyword research and we wanted to create a video that where the title of the video is just affiliate marketing. Well, according to TubeBuddy, the search volume is ridiculous. I mean, there are tons of people, over 1 million people that are currently searching per month for these two keywords. But it would not be wise to just use the words affiliate marketing in your title and that's it, because the competition is so high. So if you were to just create a video and only put affiliate marketing, well, your video would just go to the bottom of the list. That's why you have to do search terms. Like if you click on over here on affiliate, this is related searches. Let's do affiliate marketing for beginners. So we click on it, and then as you can see, it's going to change a little bit. The search volume is right here in the middle, which is good. The competition is a little bit better, and it's saying overall it's fair. So this is a pretty good one. What if we add 2021? Let's do that. And let's see how that kind of changes. All right, so now we're looking at a much better ranking. So if you were going to create a video and you were wanting to use the keywords affiliate marketing, if you added for beginners 2021, you're going to be able to have a much better chance to rank your videos. And another thing is, if you're interested in creating videos related to affiliate marketing, you know, this list is related searches. This is a great list that you can go by to give you ideas to shoot videos on. And these are common video tags that you can use inside of your video whenever you post your video. And look at this. Affiliate marketing obviously is number one. Affiliate marketing for beginners is number two. But let's say you wanted to do your competition research. Let's take a look at the number one video that ranks for affiliate marketing for beginners 2021. We're going to go to the video, and what we're going to do is we're going to hit pause, and then whenever we look at it, take a look at this. We're looking at the statistics of the video that TubeBuddy provides. This video has 667,000 views, and it has over 2,000 comments. It shows you all of the likes and the dislikes. And then it gives you a SEO score, which is, it's pretty good. It's 60. And shows you how many social media likes that it has. The channel has over 15 million likes. Then it goes over the best practices, which is this person created a high resolution thumbnail. And it kind of shows some things that they didn't do that they could do that might, you know, give them additional views. And then it shows the tags that this specific video has. One of the things you can do is you can create a video related to this and go over here to copy to and click on it. And it shows you all the tags. And what you do is you copy to clipboard. And then whenever you're creating your video, you can go right down here and right over here to your tags, and you can hit paste. And what I'll do is here, I'll show you an example of what it looks like. I'll just go down here and I'll hit paste. Then it shows you all the tags as an example. I'm not saying, you know, copy and paste it and put it in your description, because that's, you know, YouTube doesn't like it when you just kind of smash a bunch of keywords together. You know, and another quick tip if you wanted to rank your videos is take all of the keywords and put them in paragraphs inside your description. And so, but anyway, I wanted to kind of show you that. And there's so many, you know, other features that TubeBuddy has. So what I want to do is I want to challenge you, go to the description below this video and click on the link to go ahead and sign up for TubeBuddy. You could do one or two things. You can go ahead and just do the free Chrome extension just to check it out. Or what you could do is just sign up for the free version. If we go over here to pricing, kind of give you an example. And of course, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Personally, I think the Legend is the best value. A lot of people go with the Star, but it just has so many different features and so many different things that you can use to really explode your channel. And out of the different competition that's out there, I personally think that TubeBuddy is the best. So I want to challenge you. Go ahead and click on the link in the description. Go ahead and sign up for it. Start using it and go and smash this on your YouTube channel and start just crushing it. Go ahead and click the link below. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this video. Let me know in the comments below if you got value. I'm actually thinking of creating an entire series based around TubeBuddy to do a tutorial to actually show you each and every feature and to actually show you how to use it. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below and make sure you get notified. Hit that bell below, and I'll see you on the next video.